Hello, kindergarten friends. I'm so excited that you're back with us today for lesson number 11. We have been doing such a good job working on our counting and playing our dot game. We've read some stories. We've had a really good time together. So super excited that you're back today. What did we read last time? That's right. We read Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3. We don't have a new book today, but we do get to play with our numbers. So what are we going to do to warm up our brains this morning? That's right. We are going to count. Remember, we do I do, you do. What number are we counting to this week? Yell it out. That's right. We're counting to 60. All right. Are we ready to warm up our brains? Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Whew, we counted all the way to 60. We made it. Super, super job. What have we been counting to next? Oh, I did knock something on the floor. It's okay. We're going to keep going. We've been counting by tens. That's right. And what are we counting this week? That's right, apples, because our numbers climbed to the top of the apple tree. Fantastic. All right, so, that's a lot of apples. Boy, you have a good memory. I heard that yesterday that was 100 apples. So isn't it still going to be 100 apples today? And I didn't take any away. Oh, you don't think I took any away? Well, then we need to count to make sure, right? How do we count lots of apples? By tens. So what if, boys and girls, let's count them a different direction today. Let's count up and down instead of side to side. Can we do that? Can we group the apples in a different way? Think we can? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I could group those and count them as 10. So should we count the apples side to side instead of up and down today? I think we should. That'll be lots of fun. Okay, so we did 10. So let's do an I do, you do. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. It's still 100 apples if we count them in rows going this way or columns going up and down. It's still 100. Why, boys and girls? Just like the ants. It's 10 by 10. Remember from our story last week, 100 ants, that they marched in 10 lines or 10 rows of 10. Is this 10 lines or 10 rows by 10 for apples? So it matches 10 this way and 10 this way. So it didn't matter which way we counted. We still got 100. That is so cool. All right, I think your brains are definitely warmed up, and we are ready for the dot game. Frogs. Look at the little spotted frogs. Aren't they cute? Oh, we've had lots of spotted animals when we launch our dot games, haven't we? It's been so cool. All right, are we ready? Let's review the rules. That's right. We see some dots, and we count them up real quick or know how many it is by how we see it. We hold that number in our brain tight, tight, tight. They disappear. Then Miss Virginia asks, how many did you see? You shout it out and you yell, and then we put them back up there because you said you saw 3, and then we talk about the different ways you saw 3 dots. I think we are ready. Here we go. Here's your first set of dots. Hold it in your brain. Hold it tight. How many did you see? How many? Okay, I heard several different answers. I heard a 6. I heard a 7. I heard some I don't knows because there was a lot of dots. So let's put it up and let's count how many dots there were. Let Miss Virginia draw it. All right, here we go. All right, let's count. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 dots. How did you see 7? I see that. Okay, 6 like a dice. And then 1 more, and 6 and 1 is 7. Because when we count, we go 6, and when we put 1 more apple, or 1 more ant, or 1 more duck, we go 6, and 1 more gives us a count of 7. Nice job. How else did you see 7 besides seeing 6 and 1? All right, I see it. Get it up here. I heard 5 and 2. And 5 and 2 is another way to get 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 at the top, 2 on the bottom. 5 and 2 gives 7. So we've seen 6 and 1. 5 and 2. What is another way that you saw 7? Let's do 1 more. Okay, I see it. I heard somebody say, well, I saw 4 like a dice down here at the bottom. And then I saw 3 that were left, and 4 and 3. It's another way to see 7. Good job. You guys are warmed up today. All right, here we go. New pattern. Hold it in your brain. Hold it tight, tight. Hold it. All right, how many? Oh, how many? Okay, let's put it back up and let's check how many dots we saw. All right, here we go. All right, how many dots are on the page? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 7 again. Okay, how did you see 7? That was a little out of whack. She's not in line. There we go. That looks better. How'd you see 7? 6, like a sideways dice, and 1. 6 and 1 is one way to see 7. Who saw 7 a different way? Oh, I see it. That one's easier to see that pattern than the last one. I heard somebody say, are you ready? 3 on the top and 4 on the bottom, and 3 and 4 is a way to see 7. Nice. Oh, let's do that, 3 and 4. Someone else saw 3 and 4 another way. There's so many different ways we can see our dots. Okay, you saw 4 like a dice, and then 3. 4 and 3 gives us 7. You guys are really thinking today. Okay, are we ready for another set? All right, here we go. Here it comes. All right, hold it in your brain. Hold it tight, tight, tight. How many? How many? All right, let's count it. Here we go. All right, let's get it drawn. All right, are we ready to count? Here we go. Oop, let's get them where you can actually see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 dots. How did you see? That is a way to see 7. I can't fool you. The last one had the dot here, and all we did was move the dot up to here. And if you've just moved it, but you haven't taken any away, and you haven't added any to the page, you have the same number, which is still 7. Can't fool you guys. He saw 7 another way. Yep, 4 on the top this time, and 3 on the bottom, and that gives 7. 6 and 1 is another way to get 7, just like we did a minute ago, where we have our 6 here, like a sideways dice, and then one more over there, which gives us 7. Any other ways you saw 7? That's a good one, too. I like it. Okay, so last one, and then we're going to switch slides, or switch dots. What I heard was 2, 2, and 2, because I know that's 6, because that's 3 2s, and if I count 2, 4, 6, and then one more gives 7. Nice work, friends. All right, let's put up another set of dots. Here it comes. All right, hold it in your brain. Hold it tight. All right, how many did you see? How many? I heard so many people say 7. I bet we should check it and see if it's 7. Here we go. All right, let Miss Virginia draw it. All right, that's a lot of dots. All right, let's count them. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 7. We've seen so many different 7s today. All right, how did you see 7? 4, like a dice, and 3. And 4 and 3 is 7. Very nice work. How else did you see 7? Oh, okay. So I saw 3 like this, and then those same 3 up here, and I know 3 and 3 is 6, and one more is 7. Very nice. So 3, 3, and 1 also gives 7. One more way. I like it. All right, let's do that one. Draw my dots back up here real quick. All right, I heard circle it before I turn it around. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2 gives 7. 5 and 2 is 7. Very nice job. Are we ready? Hold it in your brain. Hold it tight, 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 tight. How many did you see? Oh my goodness. I heard so many people say 7. Let's check. We've had a lot of 7s today, haven't we, boys and girls? We sure have. All right. All right, here we go. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 on the screen. That's right. We have 7 dots. How did you see 7? Nice work. 5 like a dice. And 2 more. And 5 and 2 gives 7. Excellent work. How else did you see 5? Oh, I see it. Okay, hang on. Let me get my lines erased here. All right. You said you saw 4 big like a dice down here at the bottom. Everybody see the 4? And then 3 is scrunched up here at the top. And 4 and 3 is another way to see 7. We've seen 5 and 2. And we've seen 4 and 3. Let's do one more. Oh, okay. Hang on. Let me get my board erased. Let me get it back up here. All right. So I heard 4 like a big L. And then 3 right there. So 4 and 3 makes 7. Nice job. Okay, let's do one more set of dots. Here we go. And hold it in your brain. Hold it tight, tight, tight. Hold it in there. Hold it tight. All right, how many did you see? Yell it louder. How many? My goodness. I think just about everybody said 7. Let's count them and check. And then talk about how you figured out how many dots were on the page. All right, here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 7. How did you see 7? I can't fool you guys at all. Look, that's the one we just did. And if we just flip it over, we get the new one. And if we don't take any away, and we don't add any, it stays the same. That's right. So that would be 7 dots. So how did we see 7? You saw 2 at the top, and then 5 down here, and 2 and 5 is 7. Nice job. Let's do one more different way you saw 7. Okay. We didn't talk about that one, I don't think, on the last one. We'll put it up anyways. Let's do that one. I heard. Are you ready? 3 and 3 and 1. And 3 and 3 is 6. And one more is 7. You guys have done a fantastic job with the dot game today. And I think now we are ready to read our numbers, because before we can write our numbers, what do we have to do? We have to read them so our brain recognizes them, so then later our hand can write them. All right, here we go. Read them out loud with me. Are you ready? We're good and warmed up. Here we go. All right, here we go. Let me get my technology working here. We're having a moment. All right, let's try this again. I clicked on the wrong screen. Silly, silly me. Are we ready? Let's read some numbers. 7, 5, 4, 8. That's our new one. You're right. We have kind of a circle on the top, circle on the bottom, and that makes an 8. Good job. Let's keep going. 2, 6, All right, good job reading some numbers today. Let's finish our day up by counting apples. All right, remember we count out loud together, and what's our strategy? Circles. That's right, we circle them because that helps us know that what has happened. That's right, we don't want to leave any of our apple friends out, and that's right, it wouldn't be fair to count an apple twice, so we want to make sure that we count each apple one time, and then we don't leave any of our apple friends out. Are we ready? All right, count with me. 1, 2. 2 apples. All right. Oh, that's more apples, isn't it? Are we ready, boys and girls? All right, here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 apples. How many apples? What? Oh, I left a friend out. We didn't count this apple up here. Oh no, that's sad, sad apple. Oh, we better start over, boys and girls. We have to count them all. All right, let's try again. Are we ready? And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got them all. Did I leave any out? Oh, I hope not. Oh, I got them all. Okay, we have 9 apples. Why 9? That's right. The last number we said is 9, and we didn't leave any out, and we didn't count any friends twice. All right, let's count again. Here we go. Are we ready? Awesome. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You guys have quit counting them. You must be tired today. I didn't hear you. You were very loud. We've got to start over because you're not loud enough. I can't hear you, friends. Count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many apples? 11 apples. That is right, because we didn't count any twice, and we didn't leave any out. You guys have been fantastic today. Let's do some more counting. Here we go. Whoa, that is a lot of apples. What is our strategy when we have a whole bunch? Oh, to put them in groups of 10. Let's see. Does Miss Virginia have them in groups of 10? Let's count. 1. I see my pointer. Well, maybe not. There's my little pointer. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are in groups of 10. Let's count this set over here and see if it's in tens too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we could put a box around it and count it as 10 apples. Okay, are we ready to count by tens? Can you do it? Oh, this is so exciting. Here we go. So we've already got 1, so let's take it off and let's put it back and we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. How many apples on the page? That's right. There's 70 because we didn't count any 2 times. We didn't leave any out. And we could count by groups of 10 because they were in 10 bunches of 10 apples. All right, we have one more slide to do together today, boys and girls. Here we go. All right, do we think it's still tens? All right, let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, Miss Virginia didn't mess that up. They're still in groups of 10. So you ready to count with me? All right, let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30. 30 apples. Oh, it's not just 30? Why not? Oh, we have left out a whole bundle of apples? Oh, this bunch over here, we didn't count. Oh, there's not a circle around this. We didn't count this friends. Well, we left out a lot of friends. We should start over. All right, here we go. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. How many apples on the page? You're right. There are 40 apples on the page. I am super, super proud of you today. We have done a fantastic job counting and playing the dot game. We're really working hard this week on counting by those tens and using that as a strategy. I'm very proud of you, and I hope you come back and listen to our next lesson. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. You guys have done such super, super work today. I'm very, very proud of you. I hope you've had fun listening to our story, Chicka, Chicka 123, and that we played the dot game, we recognized numbers, and we've counted apples. I'm very proud of you. We're certainly doing really good with our number routines, and I hope you come back next time so that we can play with numbers again. Have a fantastic rest of your day.